Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. Christmas is my favorite time of year, and when I think of Christmas, I usually think of red and green. But today we are switching it up and we're gonna do a blue Christmas look. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Let's get started. I started my blue Christmas look with e.l.f.'s Putty Primer to smooth my skin and fill in my pores. Next, I use Lancome's Tinted Old Care and Glow foundation to even up my skin tone. For this look, I like a foundation with a radiant finish. For blurring and to combat shine, I use Laura Mercier's translucent powder all over my face. For blush, I use Charlotte Tilbury's blush in Pillow Talk on the apples of my cheeks. For highlighter, I use Charlotte Tilbury's Beauty Light Wand in Pillow Talk and smoothed it on the tops of my cheekbones and down the center of my nose. For brows, I used Lancome's Shaping Pencil in Dark Blonde to add shape and balance. To get the most out of my eyeshadow, I use Lancome's Prime It Boost It with my fingertips from lash to brow. This will also help with staying power as well. For the star of the show, I used Too Faced Better Than Chocolate eyeshadow palette. I started with the color Buttercream and brushed it all over my eyes from lash to brow. For pop and to add brightness, I used Blush Your Tarte on my lids. Using my finger, I smoothed the blue color all over my lids, which will give a better color payoff than just a brush. For even more blue and to add more sparkle, I used e.l.f.'s Liquid Glitter Eyeshadow in Ocean Eyes. I brushed it directly onto my eyelids and then smoothed it with my fingers. For shape and definition, use Lick the Bowl in the crease. This will make your blue stand out and soften the edges. For framing, I wrapped Blush Your Tarte under my eyes. In my Waterwell, I used L'Oreal's Infallible Pro Last Eyeliner in Cobalt Blue. I also brushed it across my upper lash line as well for a seamless look. For lashes, I brushed on Eyelure Pro Magnetic Eyeliner across the top of my lash line. Then I let it dry. After the eyeliner was dry, I attached the magnetic lashes on top. For tips on how to apply magnetic liner, you can check out my video in the notes below. I loved the way these lashes looked. However, as I wore it throughout the day, I wasn't impressed with the staying power. I prefer other brands such as Ari Shine, which is in my magnetic lash video, so check it out. To complete my eyes, I applied Lancome's Definitions Mascara to my bottom lashes. To catch shadow fallout and smooth my under eyes, I used NARS Creamy Concealer in Custard. When you're working with bright colors, it's always good to use a concealer last. This will smooth that area and make sure that it's bright and seamless. For lips, I started with MAC's lipstick in Gel, and for lip liner, I used Revlon's Color Stay Liner in Chocolate. And to complete the lip look, I added Shine from Anastasia's Golden Lip Gloss in Freya. Here's the final look, my blue Christmas look. Sometimes it's fun to switch it up. I hope you enjoyed my blue Christmas look. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Remember, life is better in color.